Welcome to the locators test. Start out by navigating to the internet.herokuapp.com/challenging_Dom. This is a public website that we're going to use to test. There are some buttons on this page, a table, a canvas. We're going to test the workflow of clicking a green button and then a blue button. What we want to find out is what is on the red button at the end. If you quickly inspect the buttons, take a look at the ID and the class and what appears in the HTML. We need to figure out what to test on this page. This element drawn on canvas won't work because none of what appears in there is shown in markup. If we go back and we inspect the button and take a look at the behavior, notice that when you click on the button, the ID changes for all of the buttons each time you click on it, as does the text. The choice you're going to have to make for your code is which selectors do you use and which elements in the markup do you choose to select. To create a new test, right-click in the tests folder, choose New, and Python script. In the dialog box that pops up, you'll want to name it locator_test. Copy and paste the code from the lesson. Now it's your job to choose the selectors. To first click on the green button, click on the blue button, and then select the red button to read the text that is on there. In the end, it should assert that the word foo is on the red button. If you test it out on the web page, you'll see sometimes when you click the green, then blue button, the word foo will appear on the red button, and sometimes it will not. Your test code is going to check each time what text appears on the red button. If foo is there, it'll pass, and if it's not, it'll fail. If we run the test here by running the command pytest, you'll see the two screens be pulled up, the login screen and the locator screen. If the locator test fails, it'll print out what showed up on the red button. If you run the test enough times, eventually the locator test will pass. You will know it passed because there will be a passing status and no output will be printed onto the screen. Good luck choosing your selectors and elements to test on the screen.